In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Coinbase cryptocurrency transactions to calculate gain and loss. To get started, open the platform and go to the Income and Expenses section. This is the area where different types of financial activity are organized, including cryptocurrency. Once you're there, look for the cryptocurrency category and open it. This section is designed to help you bring in your digital asset activity so the system can process it correctly for your records and reporting. After entering the cryptocurrency area, choose Coinbase from the list of supported exchanges. Selecting the correct exchange is important because it allows the platform to connect the imported trade data to the right format. Since Coinbase is already supported, this usually makes the import process much smoother than entering transactions manually. It also helps reduce mistakes that can happen when typing in trade details one by one. Once Coinbase is selected, move forward with importing your trades directly. This step is what allows the system to pull in your transaction history and use it to calculate your gain and loss automatically. Depending on the platform, you may be asked to follow the import prompts on screen, so take your time and read each field carefully before continuing. The goal here is to make sure the trade data is brought in accurately so the calculations reflect your actual activity. When the import is complete, the platform will use those trades to compute gain and loss based on the transaction information provided. This can save a lot of time, especially if you have multiple buys, sells, or conversions in your Coinbase account. Instead of manually working through every transaction, the software does the heavy lifting for you and helps organize the results in a more usable format. As you go through this process, it's a good idea to review the imported information to make sure everything appears complete and consistent. Even when using a direct import, checking for missing transactions or obvious discrepancies can help prevent reporting issues later. A quick review now can save time when you're finalizing your records. That's all there is to it. By navigating to income and expenses, opening cryptocurrency, choosing Coinbase, and importing your trades directly, you can let the platform calculate your gain and loss more efficiently and with less manual work.